Hi, I'm James with Model Meetings, and today I want to talk to you about large programs. These might be 1 year, 2 year initiatives that involve a lot of people, a lot of complexity. Maybe it's creating a whole lot of new software for the company, and it's going to take a lot of time and a lot of work. Now, maybe you've been tapped to run this large program, and that's exciting, and maybe that's part of your career path at the company. It's certainly an opportunity for you to shine in front of leadership, to show them that you know how to take a major initiative, to take a big program and get it done on time and on budget. And that's fantastic. But what Model Meetings has seen over the years is a common pattern. The initial teams are put together, meetings are put together around those teams, milestones and deadlines are set to track out the work that needs to get done over those 2 years. And that's great. And it starts off, people are getting their work done, milestones are being made, but then the meetings start to change. And very often, meetings will start to grow in size rather than decrease. And so you start adding people into meetings, and that tends to increase over time. So those meetings get bigger and bigger, and new meetings get put onto the calendars over and over. As a result, all of the people doing the work have calendars that are now getting filled with meetings. So that team member who used to get their work done in a block of time of 4 hours on a Thursday afternoon or a Tuesday afternoon, now those blocks of time are interrupted by more and more meetings. And as a result, it's harder to get your work done. As team members start having trouble getting the work done, the overall large program and these efforts have been slowed down. And now that milestone that looked achievable is now in danger. Often what we see is that those milestones start getting missed. And that's not a problem for a while, but if too many of those milestones start getting missed, what we see often is leadership takes notice and starts to look into the situation, to add some governance to say, well, we're not sure this program is on track right now. We'll add governance and we'll make sure that it doesn't go off the rails and make sure it is ultimately successful. But that governance that they put in means more leadership in those meetings. So now those meetings are larger. And now you have a lot more status updates, and it's going to take time from the people doing the work to draft all of those status updates and participate in yet more status update meetings so that senior leadership has a clearer picture of what's going on. But a result of this is even less time to get the work done. And that results in even more milestones being missed. And as a result, there is more stress in senior leadership and more governance gets dropped in. It's like molasses has been added, and the whole thing slows and slows and slows until the whole thing needs to get really started over again. We'd like to avoid that, and Model Meetings can help. We can use the software and data analytics to keep an eye on those meetings and to make sure that they don't get out of control and to make sure that people have time on their calendars to get their work done. We also do consulting work as well to make sure that everything is run as efficiently as possible and to make sure that those meetings have focus, clarity, and purpose. And with that tracking along those 2 years, the probability of success ultimately rises dramatically. And if you'd like Model Meetings to help your organization, reach out. We'd love to assist and help you achieve those deadlines and achieve that success. Talk to us. We'd love to help.